What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to receive emails totally free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And sometime this month, 2 people is going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on this method that I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into this method, check out my merch. And this is my merch right here. It says grind smart. Now, if you want to look good while you grind and making that money, check out some of my merch. Go cop some of this. Link is in the description below. It's on sale right now. I got 10% off on everything in my stores. It's the App Grind Gear Store. So go click on that link, go check it out, and start looking good while you're grinding. All right, one more thing before I get into this method. Go check out my new podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. And on that show, I'm going to talk about tips, strategies, habits that you can start doing on a daily basis that will 10x your business and 10x your life. So go check out my podcast right now. Link is in the description and also in the comments below. All right, now let's go ahead and get into this method. Please watch this video all the way to the very end so you won't miss anything about this method. So let's go ahead and get into this right now. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So this is the website you're going to use to get paid to read emails. Now, as soon as you come here, you can sign up right here. It's free to sign up. Basic information, name, make a password, and sign up. And you put on here male or female. All right, let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So 3 simple steps for you to get paid for reading emails online. So you sign up, read emails, get paid. And why you should join paid to read email. So receive daily paid emails, quick payment processing within 24 hours, low $15 payout limit, join and activate account, plus earn $3 sign up bonus. So as soon as you sign up, you get $3 right off the bat. Take daily paid surveys. So they do have surveys you can take, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But if you do, you're going to earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. And you can refer your friends to 2 levels. So you can refer friends and go all the way up to 2 levels and get paid just referring your friends. Now, I have an account on this website. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my account and see how everything works in there. So let me go ahead and log in. Okay, I went ahead and logged in. And as you can see, this is how it looks inside the account when you sign up. So they do have cash offers right here, cash surveys, earned points, paid emails. So once you come in here and you just want to get emails received to you, you're just going to click on here. It's going to take you here and it's going to let you know any emails that have been sent to you, because you're going to get an email where you just click and read the email and you get paid. That's all you do. And as you can see right here, $3 when I signed up. It's going to show how many points you accumulated after you read the email. And this have your inbox, how many emails have been sent out to you. And then it shows how many referrals you have. And down here, this is the paid email rate. And if you click here, they have all different type of rates here. So you can choose any one you want. But from my knowledge, from having this account, the $2 ones, you get those emails fast. And down here, you can select the days you want to receive your emails. So you can select every day of the week, or you can do 2 days, 3 days a week, whatever you want to do. Now, down here is just the top paid surveys. So they pay, this one right here pays 40 cents. This one pays 75 cents. This one pays $1. This one pays 50 cents. So if you want to just do some surveys while you wait on your emails to come, then you can get paid that way also. Now, when you go up here and click on offers, it's going to show you free offers and survey offers. Then it's going to give you categories that you can choose also. So if you want to click on all offers, it's going to show you all the offers. So these are the cash offers that's available. And then you have some surveys you can take. And here's some paid surveys. We just went over that. So basically, that's how it looks in this on this website once you open your account. And one more thing, let me show you. You can refer friends. I'm gonna click right there. So how you earn, you'll be credited 15% of your referrals earnings for completing offers, taking surveys, and shopping online. So if you do any of those things, you're going to get 15% of the referrals earnings. So if you do that, and if your referral do that, you're going to get 15%. And you can also advertise on here if you want to. And you can go social, post your referral link on social websites. So you have a couple of ways you can advertise your link and get some referrals. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this account. It's really simple, straight to the point. I have talked about other websites that do pay the emails, get paid for reading emails, but this is a real good one. And as you can see, you get $3 right off the bat. All right, and as you can see here, the name of this website is Pay to Read Email. So you go to paytoemail.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please don't click away just yet. I want you to do me a favor. Hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I need, just 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this website and about how this method works. And also, please don't forget to type hashtag #TheGrindIsReal in the comments below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And also follow me on Instagram. It's going to increase your chances of winning some free money. Just follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. Also, guys, share this. Share this all around the internet on all social media platforms, because I really want to help everybody I can make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again. Appreciate your love and support. Keep checking me out, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. And also, if you want to get a shout out in one of my videos, leave a creative comment down below. Your comment might get picked and I might shout you out, and that can help your YouTube channel. If you got a small YouTube channel you're trying to grow, this shout out can probably help you out. Somebody probably going to go check out your channel. So leave that creative comment down below. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Adios.